Bharatanatyam. This is Shringar, looking shyly yet passionately at the beloved. Next is Hasya, laughing happily. Karuna is empathy. This face implies that something bad has happened and that the character wants to lend her help. Rudra is anger. Here, we have an even higher level of anger. This is the highest level of anger. When Lord Shiva becomes angry, he opens his third eye. Veera represents strength and bravery. Bhayanaka denotes fear. Vibhatsa indicates disgust. Adbhuta indicates awe or surprise. Shanta represents calmness or serenity.
Very good morning, children. The last class you learned that Shivakaivara Nartanam set with Chatusra Jati Atatal, Ragam, Kannada. You already learned the Shivakaivara Nartanam, Andhra style. Today, I am going to teach one of the famous item, Kuchipudi item, Koluvaitiva Rangasai. Koluvaitiva Rangasai. This Koluvaitiva Rangasai, the Ranganatha temple, is very famous in South India. In Chennai, Tiruchur, this temple, one of the biggest temple in our India. Now I am going to teach the Koluvaitiva Rangasai, Kuchipudi style. Now I am going to sing the Jati and the song. Please listen. Tam, tatum, tatum, kedadaga, darakidadagam, tam, tatum, tatum, kedadaga, darakidadaga, tam, kidadaga, darakidadaga, tat, tat, jam, tajam, jam, targidadum, 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 tat, tat, jam, tajam, jam, tadiginatum, 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 tat, tat, jam, tajam, jam, tat, din, targidadaga, tat, din, targidadaga, tat, din, targidadaga, tat, tat, jam, tajam, jam, tat, din, ginnatum, tat, din, ginnatum, tat, din, ginnatum, takitta, 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 kedadaga, daragidadum. Now the song is going to start. Koluvaitiva Rangasai, కొలువైతివా రంగ సాయి హాయి కొలువైన నిన్ను చూడ తలవా కన్నులు వేగి కొలువైన నిన్ను చూడ తలవా కన్నులు వేగి కొలువైతివా రంగ సాయి. Now I am going to start the jati, then I am going to start the song. Now you have to learn the jati now. First of all, the jati is going to start tam tatum tadum kidadaga darigidadaga dam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. I am going to teach that one, right? Now first of all I am going to show the leg movement, after that hand movement. Well, watch. First of all bend down, leg movement. First you beat on your right leg, tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. Again watch. First of all you have to beat right leg, tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. That's left leg should go back. Again right leg should go back. 1, 2, 3. Again watch. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. Tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. Now I am going to start this jati. 1, 2. Put your hands like this. Tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. 2 Padmas. Put you like this, then like this, right? 1. Elbow up. 1, 2, 3 again. 1. Little bit shoulder movement. Thumb. Once. Look at here. Look at the hand and audience. Thumb. Tatum. Tatum. Kidadaga darigidadaga. Again left. Thumb. Tatum. Tatum. Kidadaga darigidadaga. Now I am going to show the leg movement and hand movement. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. 1. Tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. Right? Same leg. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. Now the leg should go back to front, back to digi. After that, tam gidadaga darigidadaga. Very easy step. Tam gidadaga digi tam gidadaga darigidadaga. Now the leg movement. 1, 2, 3. Tam gidadaga darigidadaga. Now this hand should come front. Tam gidadaga darigidadaga, like this. Right? First you have to do 1, 2, 3. Start. Tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. Tam tatum tatum kidadaga darigidadaga. Tam gidadaga darigidadaga. After that, tat jam. 1, 2. On your this toes you have to move back. 1, 2, 3. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tat jump. 3 times you have to jump on your back side, on your toes. Aramandalam. Bend down. Go to Muramandalam. Then you have to go 1, 2, 3. Tat jump. 1, 2, 3. Start. See that? 1, 2, 3. Start. Tat jump. Again. Tat jump. First you have to jump on left side 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2. Then 1. First of all 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2. Then 1 time. You have to jump. Watch. I am going to continuously jump. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Right? 1, 2, 3. How many times? 3 times. 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show the left hand movement. 1, 2, 3. First of all, touch the ground. See that? Ta, ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Complete. How? 3, 2, 1. You have to slowly. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 1, 2. Stop. 1. Take your pointer and catch. Take the musti hand and catch like this. Right? 1, 2, 3. From down. Touch the ground. 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Now, taragadadum. 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 All this leg should go to the samam. Taragadadum. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Taragadadum. 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 And this neck movement. Taragadadum. 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 The eyeball movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the audience. Say hi. 1, 2, 3. Taragadadum. 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 Right? Now I'm going to show the leg movement, hand movement, and neck movement. 1, 2, 3. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Start. Taragadadum. 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 Like that. 1, 2, 3. Again. Now I'm going to show the from the beginning of this side step. 1, 2, 3. See that. Ta, ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Taragadadum. 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 Same left you have to do. I'm going to show the left side leg movement also. 1. Watch. 1, 2. Bend down. 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, ta, jump. First 3. After that, 2 times jump. 1, 2, 3. Ta, 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 jump. 3, 2, 1. Right? 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Tadi hinatum, tadi hinatum, tadi hinatum. Kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum. First, tadi hinatum, tadi hinatum, tadi hinatum. Let's say now, kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum. Samam you have to do tagadaga dagadaga da, tagadaga dagadaga da, tagadaga dagadaga da. Right? 1, 2, 3. Now this step you have to do kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum. Tom separately you have to beat the leg. 1. Same hand movement also. Same down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Then again face movement. Look at the shoulder. Kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum. Right? Eyeball movement should down to up to the corner. 1. Kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum. Right? 1. Now I'm going to show the hand movement, leg movement, and neck movement. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Start, jump. Start, jump. Jump. Kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum, kedadaga daragadum. Right? 1. Now watch. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show this one. Tam, tatum, tatum. Kedadaga, daragadadaga. Tam, tatum, tatum. Kedadaga, daragadadaga. Tam kedadaga, daragadadaga. Ta, ta, chum, ta, chum, chum. Tadi hinnatum, tadi hinnatum, tadi hinnatum. Ta, ta, jump. Ta, jump. Tadi hinnatum, tadi hinnatum, tadi hinnatum. Now you have to do. First you are going down to up. Now you have to come back See, up to down. Ta, jam. Ta, jam. Jam. The leg movement is same. One. Watch. 1, 2. Leg movement again. Ta, jam. Ta, jam. Jam. One. Now you have to jump. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Jump. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. You have to, this hand movement, you have to go up. Ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Next. Ta, dhim. Look at your hand. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Same left. Look at it. Ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Along with your body movement, you have to move, bend, and look at your hand, and ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. I have to same right also. You have to bring your body movement. 1, 2, 3. So that ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to show this up to down. Now 1, 2, 3. Watch this. 1. Ta, jam. Ta, jam. Jam. Ta, dhim. Dhinatham. Ta, dhim. Dhinatham. Ta, dhim. Dhinatham. You have to jump. 1, 2. You have to go to the right side corner. Jump and didite. And jump and didite. Jump only here, jump and didite. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Right? How you have to do? 1, 2, up to ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Ta, dhim. Taragedadaga. Now, again you have to go left side. Left. Hand should go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First you have to do, start from here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Same left, the leg movement is same. Watch. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. 1. Now this one, ta, dhim. Ginnadam. Watch. Ta, dhim. Ginnadam. Ta, dhim. Ginnadam. Ta, dhim. Ginnadam. You have to add 1, 2. Tai, hidite. Tai, hidite. Tai, hidite. Tai, hidite. 1, 2. Again I am going to show the movement. 1, 2, 3, start. Along with the hand movement, now up to down. Bend your body on your left side. 1, 2, 3. Ta, jump. Ta, jump. Jump. Ta, dhim. Ginnadam. Ta, dhim. Ginnadam. Ta, dhim. Ginnadam. Now, after that, the last one. Takitta, 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 takitta. Kedadagadagadu. Right? 1. Watch the leg movement. 1, 2, 3. Takitta, kitta, takitta, kitta. Kedadagadagadu. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Watch the leg movement. 1. First of all, beat the pole. The leg should go back. Kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch the leg movement again. Little bit confusion. Watch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now I am going to do continuously. Again, watch. Again, this step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Total. Takkitta, 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 takkitta. You have to do 4 takkitas. 1, 2, 3. Start. Takkitta, kitta, takkitta, kitta. 1, 2, 3. This hand movement. Takkitta, 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 takkitta. You did that. Te, ta, kitta, takka, tajam, tajam. Ta, ta, kitta, takka, tajam, tajam. You remember the first half footwork? You have to do this step now. 1, 2, 3. Along with the hand movement, leg movement, you have to look at your hand. Takkitta, kitta, takkitta, kitta. Now, kitta, takka, takka, throw. 1. Pause again. 1, 2, 3. Start. Takkitta. Kitta, takkitta, kitta, kitta, takka, tarigida, throw. Now, the item is going to start. How? 1, 2, Koluvaiti varanga sai, ai koluvaiti varanga sai. Now, I am going to just from the beginning, I am going to repeat the step. Just you watch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Start. Tam, tatum, tatum. Keda daga, dare keda daga, tam, tatum, tatum. Keda daga, dare keda daga, tam keda daga, dare keda daga, tap, tap, jam, tajam, jam. Taragedadum, taragedadum, taragedadum. Ta, ta, jam, tajam, jam. Tadi ginnatum, tadi ginnatum, tadi ginnatum. Now up to down. Ta, ta, jam, tajam, jam. Tad, dhim, ginnatum, tad, dhim, taragedadaga, tad, dhim, taragedadaga, tad, dhim, taragedadaga, tad, ta, jam, tajam, jam. Tad, dhim, ginnatum, tad, dhim, ginnatum, tad, dhim, ginnatum, takkitta, kitta, takkitta, takkitta, kitta. Now, koluvaiti varanga. This hand and that item is going to start now. Up to here, you have to do the practice. Next class, I am going to take the Sahityam. Sahityam, that stanza, I am going to teach. Until then, you have to vigorously you have to do practice. Next class, you are going to meet again. Until then, bye bye.